Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new Azure videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to push an image to ACR exposing a token. So today's video is going to be pretty short. Throughout this video, we're going to learn how this actually works. I'm going to explain step by step how it works. So when you run AZ login command from your terminal, it would take you to the browser, right? And in the browser, it will be asking for the email address and then password to log into Azure. So which is what we are going to do now. Logged into Microsoft Azure, right? And when you did this as a login, behind the hood, Azure doesn't store any credential like your username and password on your local computer, okay? This is the thread I'm going to show it to you. This is from Stack Overflow. Just for your reference, I'm going to explain to you what happens. So it doesn't store your credential, login credential, but instead it gives you an authentication refresh token. And the token can be changed by Microsoft or by your tenant admin. So now you learn that when you run the AZ login command, you authenticate to Microsoft Azure, and Azure creates a session for you. So a user session, right? And it gives you a token, and the token is valid for 3 hours. This is what documentation says. Okay, but when I actually looked into the timestamp, then I see the token is valid for 1 hour 15 minutes. So then what we are gonna do, now we are going to run ACR login and then our registry name. So my ACR name is tag. The name is going to be tag with Pfizer, and then we are going to write expose token. So when I do this, you can see my token is actually exposed. Here it tells me about the login server. And now if you look into the expose token, here it provides you Docker command. So it tells you how to actually log into your Azure ACR server using the access token, okay? So this is what we got. So I'm going to store this particular token into this variable, and here we are going to run ACR login, and then this is the name login server, and here we basically run the token, right? And here we are going to output to TSV, and query is going to be access token. So now if I do that, the token is actually stored in this variable. So now if I run this command, I would be able to log in. So let me take this, and instead of saying access token, I have to say my variable which token. And here it should be as it is. Okay, this is the way it should be. And my login server is going to be this. So I need to change this. So let's say login server is going to be this. So if I now do this, I should be able to log in successfully. You can see login succeeded. And the next thing we want to do, we want to run this build command. And to do this, what I have to do, I need to go to the right path. Actually, I could do it from there without going to this path. Okay, now we could do this build. So my registry is going to be tag with Pfizer, and this is my resource group. G is the resource group, and dot means that this is where my Docker file is. So if I now run this command, I should be able to build a Docker file and push the image to Azure ACR. So this time, if you have noticed, I did not actually do ACR token for authentication. I did not use any service principal, neither managed identity. I will be talking about this in my future videos. Instead, we use this particular token, and using the token, we are authenticating to Azure ACR, and we are able to pull and push Docker images. So this is how you can authenticate to Azure. And here I'm going to be showing you that image is already available. As you can see, we just push the image to Azure Container Registry. This is how, exposing the token, you can pull and push images to ACR. Hope you like this content.